You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Engineering and software company, brand name, British English pronunciation, Altair, but of course it's an American multinational information technology company headquartered in Michigan, so perhaps the American US pronunciation is more appropriate. It's also the name of a star. Altair. Altair. Stress on the second syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.